we come to introduce the new leadership of the House to the Nigerian police, and to equally extend our hands of fellowship to tell you that as a parliament, we are ready 100% to work with the Nigerian police to make sure the peace and harmony that Edo State is enjoying under your command continues. For quite some time now, Edo in the South-South region have been the most peaceful, very, very peaceful. All the kidnappers are relocated to other states. Crime rates have nosedived drastically. It's because somebody is doing something right. So we have noticed that you are doing your work professionally and efficiently. So, and as a house, we discussed, say no, the first official, actually this is our first official visit outside the house, must be to your command. First, to thank you. And please continue to maintain peace, law and order in the states. And to equally tell you that as a house, we are ready to partner with you to continue to maintain the peace that we enjoy in Edo State. When the masquerade is dancing very well, you continue to pick melodious band for the masquerade. You don't stop beating back. You are doing very well in Edo, and by God's grace, we'll continue to support you to do well. We are aware that human being is, they are all insatiable. The police have a lot of challenges. As we move on, from time to time, we'll have discussions with you for us to work together how we can overcome some of these challenges. Areas where we need to legislate to make your work easier, we will do that, will not hesitate. Areas where we need to come in terms of community policing, because that is the norm all over the world now. The police are not spirits. You cannot stay here in Benin and know what is happening in Akoko. So areas where our communities need to come together and help the police, as legislators, as parliamentarians, the voice of the people will equally come in and assist the police. Like I said, this is just a courtesy visit to say you are doing well, we are happy with you, and by God's grace, the peace in Edo will continue under your leadership and command. And we equally thank the IG for bringing somebody like you to Edo. We thank the IG, and at the appropriate time, we are going to make this very formal. We'll write to him to thank him. Because without missing words, Edo is the most peaceful state in the South-South region. Like I said, it's not just a miracle. Somebody is doing something right in it. So we are very, very grateful, sir. We are very, very grateful. Yeah.
Let me seize this opportunity on behalf of myself, my management team, officers and men of the Edo Police Command, to welcome the Right Honorable Speaker and principal officers of the Edo State House Assembly. The visit to my office today has demonstrated that level of cohesion, that level of relationship, that level of cordial working relationship that had existed time immemorial. But with this visit, let me say here that the police is ready to give all the necessary support to the Parliament to make sure that you have an enabling environment to work and assist Edo State. When the Right Honorable Speaker spoke, he made a lot of positive comments about the performance of the command. Let me say here without fear of contradiction that such type of performance couldn't have been possible without the support of the state government and the entire community in the state. So let me use this occasion to immensely thank the state government for providing the necessary assistance to the command, and of course at the same time extend my appreciation to the entire community of Edo State who are forthcoming with good intelligence that we marry to ensure that we fight criminals in the state. Fighting crime today is intelligence-based. It requires community support, it requires community partnership, and I think that is what the Edo people stand for. That is what they are doing to the command. I think with the support, that of the community and that of the state government, by the grace of God, sky is the limit. We will try to ensure that citizens in Edo State sleep with their 2 eyes closed. And then whatever ready put in the best to make sure that we fight crime to its lowest in Edo State. It is not a speech-making occasion. Let me just make a clarion call to all those that matter in the state that they should continue to support police so that we can fight crime. We also appreciate the visits of Mr. Speaker and the management team, and we also believe that we'll continue to extend our hands of fellowship to the Parliament to make your job easy. Let me, on behalf of myself, officers and men of the Edo State Police Command, once again congratulate you for the new positions, and to say God in His infinite mercy guide you, protect you, and make you remain focused and still, and legislate in matters that can provide social amenities, infrastructure, and all other things that matter to the indigenous of the state. On behalf of the command, I thank you for coming, and God bless you.